Yo, dog. What up? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Tool Tuesday. This is by far the best one ever. The biggest turnout, the best location, the best weather. I don't know if you could tell, but that's Empire State Building over there and all that. We're in Greenpoint, and I'm gonna take a walk around and show you guys what's what. I'm probably not gonna be able to capture all the bikes, just because there's too many, and I'm gonna try to go quick. But this is my bike. All right. Yes. Maybe that could be the thumbnail, huh? For once, my bike. Anyway, so we got a couple of bikes here. Got a couple of Triumphs. There's a Triumph and Yamaha section, I swear. Trident. Don't see these very often. Plus it's relatively new. Nice. Alright, we're gonna start right over here. Look at these Hummers. Cute. Alright. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start right here. We got a little SV, a Monster 821. Crazy Honda, Scrambler, Beamer, Triumph. I don't think I even need to say anything because you probably can't hear me anyway. Another Triumph. Uno más. This is cute. Shock how low it is. It's 20.
Yeah, so that's your
Is that an H2? I don't think that's an H2. No. I thought that was an H2. I don't know shit. XSR. Ducati. And then we got a drone flying about. Watch out. We got a TFL. Look at this. God damn. All right. Now we got a cute bike. Look at this thing. What are those? Look at this. You got an adorable fucking clutch plate, and then you got reflectors. What a mystery. That's a cute little Street Fighter right there, though. Adorable. I like this one. This one I was actually a huge fan of. This Honda 1000. Single-sided swing arm. Dope. Got the Beamer here. Another Beamer. Honda. more rows of bikes. Look at there. You got Triumph. Ooh. Little oil leak. Oopsie. What up, brother? Look at this. This bad boy is leaking oil. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? It's a Yamaha. What are you gonna do? I thought it was a Harley, but it's not. That thing is cute though. Look at this. Marshmallow. Hey, how's it going?
This guy actually has
crash bars? Oh, even though it's automatic? Ah.
I don't know if it's extra. You have to pay for shit. I don't know.
Triumph. Ooh, look at this baby. This baby's dirty. This baby's been used. It's cute. I like it. Oh, interesting versus here. Another Triumph. Another Triumph.
I've heard of that. I've seen that. I've signed up at that.
Little Kali. Oh, snap. I know this guy.
What's up?
What up, brother?
How are you, man?
Chilling, man. Hello.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
Doing all right. Doing all right. Beautiful day.
Yeah.
Fucking the most people I've ever seen in one of these things.
That's great.
It's kind of wild. I like it though. Perfect place, perfect weather.
Yeah.
How's Lorenzo? Still a little sore?
Yeah, he's limping.
Oh, he's here.
Yeah, he's riding.
Oh, there he is.
But he's limping. What's up,
Yo, what's going on, man?
You're the
Got a little motodemic. What?
New York City guy, right?
New York NYC. Yeah.
What's up, man?
Sorry, I'm all sweaty and shit.
Oh, it's all right.
How you doing? Is this your bike?
Yeah.
Nice. Love it. We're just saying, you got a little motodemic in there.
Yeah.
Represent. Hell yeah. Looks good, man.
Thanks, man.
I love it.
That's what you've got on yours too, right?
Yep.
When I finally saw your bike in person, it's nice.
Oh, yeah, it's a little well used and a little dirty and a little beat up, but it'll work.
Still contemplating the change?
Oh, yeah. Well, I'm gonna keep it. I'm keeping the old bike because it's worthless and I got a place to store it. But yeah, I'm gonna get the new Monster. When? All right. Anyway, I gotta record the rest of these bikes before my battery dies.
Nice meeting you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Fan, all right?
I'll come back and talk to you guys. Thank you, man. Thank you. Oh, what's going on, brother? How you doing? Oh shit! Haven't seen you in a minute. How you been?
Good. How are things?
Good. Can't complain. Still doing my little vlogs. Yeah. Look for that crappy Triumph. See?
It is. I like the older ones better. Like I work together.
It's a Rebel with crash bars. Interesting. I got paused. The sun is going away. Monster. Cute. Yo, dog. What up? We're gonna have to just accelerate because too many bikes. Look at this piece of crap. Ew, gross. Like I said, there's too many bikes to get all of them. Hello. Dirty Billy is here. Got a little Panigale.
You using your phone to navigate?
Aprilia. Started really slow, but
In the end, Ilya, I feel like when I get older, I'm gonna be riding
cut.
in the city, bro. It's perfect, bro. It don't matter how many cars.
Cruise bike.
Try it on.
Now we got a couple of overland vehicles. Not gonna go through all of them. Oh. Look at this little K truck. I'm gonna take a picture of this bike here.
I'm walking around with earplugs on. Oh my god, these are like fucking really cool. What are people doing? Is this your car? Can I ask you about it?
Oh shit. Yeah, look at this. It's RAV4. Can't believe it. Cross track. Little Lexus. Overland. Lots of Jeeps. All sorts of Jeeps. Jeeps galore. Anywho, I burnt out my steam. I'd show you more of these overland trucks, but it's not my thing. Let me know if next time you want me to show more of them and get more excited about that shit. Because as it stands now, bah, I would love one, but just don't have it in me to look at every single one. Wild, wild, wild. It is time.
Yeah, right?
It is time to throw this empty out and then just relax. I actually have a seltzer in the back. It's gonna, I have a seltzer in the back, and I'm gonna drink that. But we shall talk later. Yo, what up, brother? This shit's gonna get demonetized because of this silly music, and that's okay. It's totally alright. Anywho, I'll talk to you guys later. How awesome was this Tool Tuesday? The best one yet.